How to edit site header in Squarespace. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can edit site header in Squarespace. Okay, so this is simple. Okay, very simple. Just follow through the process. The first thing to do, of course, is to log in into your Squarespace account and open up your website. So once you're logged in into your Squarespace account, just like I have done here, by the top part of the screen, you will see the edit option. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be asked edit product or edit design. Click on edit design. Once you click on edit design, you'll be taken to the edit page. Okay, now on this page, just move to the top part of the screen at the middle. Yeah, you'll see edit site header. Click on it. Once you click on it, a box will pop up by towards the right side of the screen, all right, showing you the logo. If it is the logo that you want to edit, then yeah, site title and logo. If it's the logo, you click on it, then this is the title of the site currently, which is commerce. So if you want to edit it, maybe you want to capitalize it or change it to something else, just click on it this way and then type out what you want. Okay, I'll be using so just type it out this way. I'll be using another name now. Yes, and then if you want to input a logo, you can go ahead, input the logo, add mobile logo, etc. Once you're done, click on back and edit other things. Once that is done, just come over here to the top left corner of the screen and click on save. Once you click on save, your header will be changed automatically. So this is how you can change site header on, you can edit site header in Squarespace. Thanks for watching.